Okay, now you're welcome once again. You're welcome back. So let's continue. We've talked about higher derivative. I want to just give you another alternative. Are you okay? So that when you see it anywhere, it won't be like you are myopic or something. Let them know what you are doing. Okay. So now, remember I told you that when you have y, when you have a function, when you differentiate, you dy over dx. Now, when you have a function f, when I differentiate f becomes what? F what? Prime. Do you remember this? So this means I've differentiated what? F. Are you okay? So if I want to find the second differential, so I have to find the second. So the second derivative is the same as what? The second differential. And the second differential, for this is how we go about it. It's the same as this. This has been differentiated. Then you bring another prime, that's the strokes, then x. Are you okay? So this is the second differential. Now, the third what? Differential, or the third derivative also becomes for f, then 1, 2, 3. Are you there? Then bracket f. Are you okay? So the fourth differential, or the fourth derivative, will also be f, then how many strokes? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, bracket x. Are you okay? So that is all. So either use the dy over the x, or you can use the f prime x. That is it. Let's consider examples to understand it. Okay, you're welcome back. Now, let's consider this question. So for the higher derivative, this is how the questions are being posed. Are you okay? So if you only know of dy dx without knowing this and this, there's a problem somewhere. Are you okay? So you need to know every nitty-gritty of whatever you are doing. Are you there? So solution. So my function y equals 3x exponent 4 plus 2x to the power 3 plus 2 over x squared. Now, you know that I can rewrite this in a different form. So this one is the same as y equals 3x to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 3, then plus the law of indices. When I transpose this to become the numerator, it becomes what? 2x to the power negative what? 2. We solved examples like this previously. Are you okay? In the previous videos, we've done this. So now, let's find dy dx. Are you okay? So dy dx is more or less like the first differential. Are you there? So when differentiate dy dx, you come and get the second differential. You come and what? The third differential. So this is the second, third differential. So now, dy dx. So dy over the x is equal to, so when you differentiate this 4, 3, you come and get 12x. Then when you subtract 1 from the exponent 4, you get what? 3. Then plus 3, 2, 6. And when you subtract 1 from the exponent, you get what? You get 2. Then minus 2, 2, you get what? 4, then x. When you subtract 1 from negative 2, you get what? You get negative 3. So this one is your dy dx. Now let's move on to the next one. We should find the second derivative. So how do you find the second derivative? You can only find the second derivative when you differentiate dy with respect to what? With respect to x. So let's do that nicely. So here we have dy over the x is equal to 12x to the power 3 plus 6x to the power 2 minus 4x to the power negative 3. So when you differentiate dy dx, you come and get the second differential. And second differential is d squared y over what? Dx, which is equal to. So you differentiate this like the normal differentiation. So the 3 will come and multiply the 12. Are you there? So 12 times 3, you get 36. So 36, then x. When you subtract 1 from the exponent, you come and get what? You will get 2. Then plus, then 2 times the 6, you get what? 12x. Then 2 minus 1, you get what? 1. Then you come and get positive, because the negative is the negative 3, because we have it like this. We have negative here already. This is the negative. Then negative 3 times the 4. You come and get what? You come and get negative 12. Are you there? So the negative and the negative, when they commute, you get what? Positive. Are you okay? So let me just write my positive there. So 4, 3, I'll get what? I'll get 12. Then x. When I subtract 1 from the negative 3, I'll get what? I'll get negative what? 4. So this is the second differential. Let's consider the third differential. So the third differential becomes d3y over dx what? 3. So again, the same thing. You differentiate this again, like our normal differentiation. So 36 times the exponent 2. According to my calculator, I'm getting 7 to what? 2, then x. So 2 minus 1, the exponent becomes what? 1. Okay. Then plus, when you differentiate 12x, remember you get what? You get 12, then minus 12 times 4. According to my calculator, I'm getting 48x. The power, you have negative 4, so negative 4 minus 1, you get what? You get negative 5. So this is the end of the lesson. Thank you.